Hey guys, it's Brian over NuTech Cleaning Systems, and I'm going to talk about the new 2022 El Diablo. In the El Diablo forum on Facebook, we get a lot of questions like what's changed from the original El Diablo to the new 2022 El Diablo. And there's quite a few changes. Some are small, some are not so small. First and foremost is the dirty water tank. Now visually it looks like the same tank as the older model. However, this tank has had a complete redesign. It uses a thicker mill stainless steel. It has 100-gallon capacity instead of the old 70-gallon capacity, which is very, very nice. It's been redesigned where it's much more welding support, so it's really strong, the stainless steel tank. It's very, very, very nice. Also, with this dirty water tank, they also added these free-flowing elbows. Now, for those of you who have other types of machines, you know you have the plastic elbow and the airflow comes in, it smacks the back of the plastic elbow, then it has to turn and come down, and that creates a little bit of back pressure. It creates a little bit of air restriction for free flow. We call these free-flowing elbows because the air just flows and it's a smooth, continuous turn into the tank. It improved the vacuum dramatically. It's substantial. It's very, very nice. And those are stainless steel as well. Also, although the color is the same, it's the same traditional red El Diablo powder coating. They went from a different type of paint from the original El Diablo. This is an actual true powder coat. So the finish and the durability of the finish is substantially stronger. It's much, much nicer. Another thing that they did with the new El Diablo, they upgraded the generator. The old original generator that's on this machine, they upgraded to the newer, nicer version, and it's very nice. It's substantially nicer. Another feature of the El Diablo that they upgraded is in the back where the fuel burner is, there is a flow switch. The way they designed the stand that the heater is on, it's got a door, so you basically loosen a few bolts, the door slides open. It makes it really, really easy to get to the flow switch should you need to clean it out or descale or simply replace it. So made it much, much, much easier. So a lot of really nice improvements to this machine over the last year or two here. And they did also add the forklift. For the old machine, of course, just stopped at the bottom. It didn't have the access for the forklift. And it might not seem like a big deal because a lot of carpet cleaners or flood guys say, well, you know, I'm not the one installing it anyway. However, when this machine gets installed, it makes it a lot easier to install it. But here's where it's important. Later down the road, if you guys decide to upgrade your truck, get a new truck, and you're paying your installer to uninstall this kit, put it in your new truck, it's going to save your installer a lot of man hours because they're basically charging parts and labor. So it saves you a lot of money and it makes the install much, much easier to move from one truck to another. So a last part of it is this front part of the frame where all the water drips and different things happen. It's not, this part of the front of the machine is not sitting flat on the floor. So you're not going to have the rust and the, you know, the kind of damage you see over time with all truck mounts on the front panel of the machine. It keeps it looking nicer and more professional for a lot longer period of time. So it's a very nice upgrade on this machine for sure, as small as it may seem. So with that being said, if you have any questions about El Diablo truck mounts or any of the major brands of truck mounts, we work and sell with all the great manufacturers. Give us a call, 248-548-5211, or you can visit us online at www.shopnutech, and it's ShopNutech.com. Thanks for watching.